Welcome to the screencast of n8n, a powerful workflow automation tool that lets small businesses connect various applications and automate complex tasks with minimal coding. Today, we'll demonstrate how n8n can enhance your business operations with a few example workflows. First, let's take a look at how n8n can enhance team communication. Imagine you're running an online store using WooCommerce. With n8n, you can create a workflow that sends a message on Mattermost every time an order is created. This keeps your team instantly informed about new sales, enabling quick and efficient customer service. Now, let's focus on team engagement. With the weekly coffee chat workflow, n8n randomly pairs team members on Mattermost for a virtual coffee chat. This fosters a sense of community and encourages collaboration among remote teams. Moving on to productivity, let's see how n8n can help with managing digital assets. For instance, you can set up a workflow that automatically processes images added to a Google Drive folder, reducing their size for faster loading times on your website without sacrificing quality. Next, we'll explore customer support with a Slack chatbot powered by AI. Using n8n, you can build a chatbot that understands customer queries and provides instant, accurate responses. This enhances customer experience by ensuring they receive immediate help without waiting for a human agent. Networking is crucial for business growth, and n8n can automate LinkedIn outreach. By integrating with Notion and OpenAI, you can create personalized messages and manage your outreach campaigns efficiently, expanding your professional network with less manual effort. Lastly, let's look at email management. With the Gmail AI autoresponder workflow, n8n utilizes AI to draft replies to incoming emails. This means you can maintain prompt communication with clients and partners even when you're not immediately available to respond. As you've seen, n8n is a versatile tool that can handle a variety of tasks, from improving team communication and engagement to enhancing customer support and networking. With its customizable workflows and privacy-focused self-hosting option, n8n is an invaluable asset for any small business looking to streamline their processes and maintain a competitive edge. Thank you for watching this screencast. Explore n8n and discover how it can transform your business operations today.